Here's everything I got in PR this last week as a micro influencer. My name is Henna, unfiltered beauty, fashion, and lifestyle creator here on YouTube, but mainly on TikTok and Instagram at the Henna Ali. I know PR unboxings are definitely kind of coming back in style, and I definitely always kind of share whatever I get in PR on Instagram and TikTok. So I thought, why not bring maybe a more in-depth, just kind of go over exactly what I got in PR here on YouTube. So let's get straight into it. Quick disclaimer, everything I did receive in PR from all these brands were gifted to me. I am not required to post or exchange for posts, anything like that. These are truly just brands wanting to just share some products, give some products, and that's about it. I definitely always still like to be very grateful for anything any brand or anyone sends me. And if I can do anything, I'd like to at least just do an unboxing. And yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing today. And before I really get into this video, I just want to answer a question I know I'm definitely going to get in the comments. And I always get this whenever I even do videos or unboxings on other platforms. How do I get PR? Truly, most everything I have behind me, brands reach out to me directly via DM or email. How does that happen? I post a lot of content. I share genuine content of just like makeup products, reviews of things I like, and a lot of times I make sure to tag those brands so they find me that way. Or a lot of brands will see me creating videos like that and they'll be interested to send me stuff. So I just wanted to put that out there because I know that's always a question I get whenever I do any kind of unboxing video. But now we can actually get into this PR unboxing of everything I got in PR this week as a micro influencer. I generally do get quite a bit of PR every week almost, or sometimes every other week. So instead of just unboxing it every day and making it a little easier for me to kind of break down boxes and separate what can be recycled and what cannot. So kind of just going off whatever is right here, I have a package from Kosas. So here we have, it looks like they have brought their 2 weightless lip color shades in Rose Water and Stardust. It says, you commented, DM'd, email, so we're bringing them back, your 2 favorite original weightless lip colors. And their wet lip oil as well in here. So I have 2 hot liners. These are in the shade Mega, which is a cool pink, and Supreme, which I knew this PR unboxing haul was gonna be interesting. I'm so not coordinated, but these are the 2 liner shades. I actually do have all their liners. These are really good if you're looking for a budge-proof, just creamy lip liner formula. These are their wet lip oils, and they sent this in Dip and Revealed. Revealed is actually a lip oil I use quite often, and that's what they look like. This shade is so perfect for whenever I'm doing like a nude lip. So they brought back Stardust, which is a sheer warm peachy pink. Ooh, that's actually a very pretty shade, especially for fall coming up now. And then the other shade was Rose Water, which is a sheer cool pink. You know, Texas heat, it was like 100 degrees. It melted a little bit there, but that's a very pretty, I think just a standard nice pink shade. I definitely use a lot of their products in my everyday. I especially like their new, it's the Soul liners. They have these new gel liners and they have a smudger on them. They're so easy to use, and I'm not good at liner. This I've actually opened, but I did get it all together, so I want to make sure I included this. But this is the Kylie Cosmetics. It's her lip and cheek blush tints. They send all their shades, and I have posted quite a few videos even here on YouTube and on TikTok of these. These retail for $26. It is a tint, so if you're looking for crazy amount of pigment, this is not it. Kylie Cosmetics is definitely kind of in their clean girl natural makeup era right now of all the products they're releasing. So if you're just looking for like a flush of color on the cheeks, these will give you that. And if you're just looking for a nice little tint and then you put a gloss over, that's what these will do. But again, I do really like these. I have been using them for the last week now because I already, like I mentioned, I opened these up when I got them. But yeah, so those are the Kylie Cosmetics blush and lip tints. All right, this one is actually from the brand Banish. If you have been following me on here for a while, Banish is an at-home, well, one of the main products I use is their called Banisher 3.0 now. It's the new updated version, but it's at-home microneedling skincare treatment, and then they have other products. So they did send me a restock of the products I do use, and I do love their packaging. It's recyclable. It's truly no waste. Your product just comes wrapped in these little bubble mailers. just to make sure they don't break in shipment. But I got, hold on. This is their ceramide and retinol serum. And then I think I have a vitamin C moisturizer, the pumpkin enzyme mask, and then I have one more product in here. But thank you for Banish for sending me a restock because I go through these so quickly. This next one was actually a surprise to me. This is from House Labs. But yes, I did anticipate, so House Labs did reach out to me on TikTok wanting to kind of start, you know, sending me some items, but they kind of started sending me with their Triclone foundation, which I already have this and I love it. It was getting quite old. I had it for a while. It was time to kind of like get a new foundation. So it kind of worked out. They send me a refresh. So this is in shade 260 and then their foundation brush, which I also have this as well, but thank you, House Labs. This next package is from Maison. I don't know how to say it. Maison Margiela. Whenever they do send anything over, it's usually a candle or fragrance. And on this, it says it's their newest replica fragrance available exclusively at Sephora. And it's in the scent Afternoon Delight. So it's supposed to be a warm and sweet fragrance. You have notes of vanilla, Madeleine liqueur, sandalwood. Okay, so that's all it really shares. So anything with vanilla, I usually always say it's pretty safe. And I do like this little kind of metal container. Here she is, Afternoon Delight. I actually have one of their perfumes on. I have on right now the scent From the Garden from them. It was just a very refreshing scent because it's been really hot in Texas. This one smells, I thought I smelled vanilla. Now I'm not too sure. I'm definitely gonna have to sit with that one and kind of let it wear a little bit and try it out a few times. I don't know how I feel about it, but the notes sound like in my type of smell, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. But regardless, thank you so much for sending these over. I've been in my fragrance era, but I never really posted about it until recently, so thank you. This one is from L'Oreal and it says, welcome to Team Infallible. I knew it. I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I was like, I knew it. So inside they included their new 3-second setting mist. It's supposed to be up to 36 hours of wear. I know I don't wear makeup that long. Then they have our matte resistance. I guess it's a red lipstick. Oh, it's a liquid lip. It's a matte red liquid lip. They have a brow lamination by L'Oreal. I don't think I've ever tried any kind of gel or anything, and they have this brow lamination right here. Kind of reminds me of the Rare Beauty one, but this is definitely a lot longer of a spoolie, and it looks like it has a little bit of bend to it. And we have a highlighter. She is quite icy. I don't know how she'll look on my complexion because I do have an olive undertone. Let me just, oh, okay, hold on. Oh, that's actually quite light on the skin. So I'm gonna definitely try this out with the brush on my face and see how that looks, because interesting. But thank you so much to L'Oreal for sending this over. I already know what this is. This is Kate Somerville. But oh yes, this is their new Retinol serum. It's their Mega A transforming serum. So they actually had sent this product to me, I think 2 weeks before they announced it, to start trying it out. So I have been using it and I do have thoughts on it already, but I'm kind of waiting for a good month to go by before I do a review. But I guess I have a backup now. It's available exclusively at Amazon right now. But what makes this one so unique, it's Retinol, which is the next step up from retinol. So it's definitely a lot stronger and it's closer to being a retinoic acid. This one's actually really great. Of course, retinol, they're known to be really great at anti-aging and helping with fine lines, wrinkles, just like texture of the skin. But this one in particular has really great antibacterial ingredients in it. So especially if you deal with hormonal acne like I do myself, or just acne prone skin, this is gonna be great for you. And then in here, they included such a cute little clip. Isn't she adorable? And she has a pretty little smiling. This one's from Real. I love when brands include personal notes. By the way, someone wrote from the team, "Hi Hannah, we hope you enjoyed these Real goodies and can add them into your self-care routine." And it says, "Love the Real team. PS, find Real at Miracle Patches at Target." I hope I'm saying that. Is it Real? Real? Listen, I always have a hard time pronouncing basic words. Here it has a Miracle Patch, Overnight Spot Cover, Invisible Spot Cover. And then micro crystal spot cover for under. Ooh, this is great. Ooh, love me any kind of acne cover spots, being an acne prone girly myself, so thank you so much. Pixie Beauty always sends their iconic green boxes. Oh, okay. So we have lip treats. It says discover the magic of Hydra lip treats. Oh, they're lip balms. So they have one lip balm and then they have 2 tinted lip balms. By Pixie. Oh my god, why did I think these were blush sticks for a second? See the tint. You can see. Yeah, they're a lot more sheer. I will say I do love a clear balm as well. I'll probably be using that more often. Just because when I wear lip balms, I'm not really looking for color, but I do like having that option. So thank you, Pixie Beauty. This next one is by Smashbox. It's their Drop Everything. This must-have primer is now $34 and just dropped on Amazon. Oh, okay. So now you can find the Photo Finish Primer on Amazon. SL, that's YSL. This is their new Libre Flowers and Flames fragrance. It's a new warm sun-kissed floral fragrance. At the heart, it's creamy cocoa palm tree flower melted with spicy and solar lily beneath. A base of rich vanilla. I definitely feel like vanilla always kind of, you start seeing a lot of vanilla fragrances, especially fall and winter time. I just sprayed it. Let me spray it on the top. Oh, I can already smell. Oh, okay, hold on. That one smells good. No brainer. That one smells so pretty. I definitely smell some kind of floral in there. The vanilla is not too strong. So if you're wanting to, if you like vanilla, but you don't like it to smell like a gourmand type of scent, these are kind of the vanillas you'll like, where it's mixed in with florals. She smells nice. Oh, they always have just the cutest little details. So they always, Bare Minerals tends to always put your name there, which is so cute. It says, is all you want in a concealer and more. Henna, get ready to redefine perfect matte coverage with their new Bare Pro 16-hour all-over skin perfecting matte concealer with mineral SPF 25. You can always keep trying concealers and see what you like for certain occasions, certain looks. Oh wow, these are really, really weighted concealers. Ooh, okay, that's a really jumbo concealer one, but I kind of like it. So we're almost at the finish line, we're almost done, but this next package is from the Inky List. The Omega Water Cream, dude, that moisturizer. I've got everybody hooked on that, but they did send their entire lineup, so thank you so much, Inky List. Again, like they mentioned, it's just straightforward skincare, no BS, no nothing. Just really good skincare and simple and accessible. So thank you, Inky List. We have a large box right here. You just got upgraded. It Cosmetics, let me stop. First class product. You just got upgraded to a first class product. They're Your Skin But Better CC color correcting full coverage cream, and it includes anti-aging hydrating serum and a broad SPF 50. Kind of going along with that travel, so they include this cute sleeping mask with It Cosmetics on there. I love the peach color, these shade green bags, because I use them. And here they included 2 shades in their CC cream. I can already tell you I'm definitely going to be more of a neutral medium, because that one, just based on the colors, but I'll try them out. And then I love this brush. I actually have one of these brushes, and I was just telling myself that hopefully maybe during the 21 Days of Beauty with Ulta I can buy another one, because I love this brush so much. I bought the e.l.f. one, which is supposed to kind of be a dupe to it, but it does not compare the It Cosmetics this brush. L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane. I use their whipped almond. It's like it's the whipped version of the almond oil, but it looks like they said upgrade your hair care game. This daily hair serum keeps your hair protected and styled even on the most humid summer days. It's their intensive repair anti-frizz serum. Sign me up. Anything anti-frizz I will try. I'm on my hair journey right now. This 3-in-1 serum with the creamy texture repairs damaged hair without weighing it down. Ooh. It says it tames frizz for up to 24 hours. It's also heat protection. You get heat protection up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit, smooth and silky. Okay, you apply to damp or dry hair from lengths to ends. Okay, so you can use this after you take a shower, kind of like before styling your hair, blow drying it. Ooh, hair scrubber, which I use these a lot. Like I said, I've been on a hair journey and I've really been working on my scalp care and just my hair in general. So thank you, L'Occitane. These will actually be quite loud. This is their new drop, the Power Pout transfer proof 8-hour lipstick. It's their first ever transfer proof matte lipstick. Delivers high intensity pigment in lightweight, comfy for my last 8 hours for perfect pal day. But I guess these are all the shades, probably. Looks like it. Thank you, ColourPop. ColourPop is always just so cool when it comes to that. They're so generous in sending like all the shades or a good selection of shades. Oh wow, this is a really pretty color. I just want to see how this feels. Oh wow. That felt so nice. And look at that shade. This is in the shade Hold Up. I don't know what shade it's gonna be. Of course. I would pick like another nudie brown shade. Let me just go next to it. Ooh, but that one's actually so pretty. Oh my god. This one, both of these are so pretty, especially for fall. Oh my god, ColourPop. Okay, no, I'm totally gonna swatch these. All right, last package. And then we're good. Ooh, this is from Lancome. Hi beauty, get ready to make a statement. Meet the new Hypnose 5-color eyeshadow palette in Ardent Drama and their new waterproof liner in Ruby Fever. Okay, so we have a new mascara and new eyeshadow palette from Lancome. And way more than what they say they're gonna send, like what they say on those cards. But wow, Lancome, I feel so shocked to get things from these brands when like growing up always wanted these things, or I saw my mom using it, or like I wanted it but it was too expensive to purchase. So it's just so cool to be getting these. Like I mentioned, everything that's kind of getting sent, you definitely see the transition into fall and winter. I'm not a huge fan of when they send these. I still don't know why brands send these because, you know, we can't use them, but oh look, it already fell out. But that shade's right there. It's a primer and a moisturizer. Ooh, I've never there's more underneath. This is my favorite. I love. If there's anything that I always use every day whenever I do any kind of eye makeup, it's their eye makeup remover, their bifacial remover by Lancome. This is my favorite. And I know she's hefty in price. I really love that remover. And ooh, wait. So I see a mascara in here, but is this the primer? Oh my god. This is another, okay, so if there's like any top 3 or top 2, honestly top 2 products I always could refer people to when Lancome, and what comes to mind is this. It's the lash primer. I use that today. I use this so much. So thank you. This is like a great restock on my end. The bifacial eye makeup remover. This thing removes my mascara, no tugging, nothing, just so amazing. So these 2 products, I am like, thank you. I love these. I mean, I'm excited to try everything else, but thank you. Still have the lipstick on. I didn't wipe it off anywhere, but all right, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this PR unboxing. Let me know if this is something you'd like to see, maybe a month-to-month basis, or just kind of whenever I collect PR. I generally do post like a PR unboxing on Instagram and TikTok. But if you want me to kind of share more of a breakdown and everything I got, kind of doing some swatches in there, let me know. Because I definitely want to start posting more frequently here on YouTube. I know just the landscape, the beauty YouTube landscape is so different now. I'm not sure if like reviews are still something y'all are interested in, or, you know, please give me some recommendations of what you'd like to see from me next. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And other than that, again, my name is Henna. I am an unfiltered beauty, fashion, lifestyle influencer. I mainly post on Instagram and TikTok basically every single day. Here on YouTube, I'm trying to be more frequent, but you can follow me at the Henna Ali on all 3 of these platforms. But that is it for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. All right, bye. 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 Let me go wipe this off.